Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll explain how to stream YouTube TV on Discord and show you the correct way to share your screen with clear video and audio. Step 1. Prepare Discord by right-clicking the Discord app and choosing Run as Administrator, because this improves stability during screen sharing. Then go to User Settings, open Advanced, turn off Hardware Acceleration, and restart Discord so streaming works smoothly. Step 2. Prepare your browser by opening Chrome or Edge, going to Settings, then System, and turning off Hardware Acceleration. Restart the browser to avoid a black screen while streaming YouTube TV. Step 3. Open Discord and join a voice channel in your server, because screen sharing only works inside voice channels. Make sure your microphone and speakers are connected properly. Step 4. Click the monitor icon called Share Your Screen at the bottom left of Discord. This option lets you choose what you want others to see. Step 5. In the pop-up window, select the Applications tab and choose the browser window where YouTube TV is playing. Selecting the correct application helps keep the stream focused. Step 6. Enable audio by checking the box that says Also Share Application Audio. This step is important so others can hear the YouTube TV sound. Step 7. Adjust the stream settings by choosing a resolution and frame rate, where 720p works well for most users without Discord Nitro. Then click the Go Live button to start streaming. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Discord tutorials and fixes.